Welcome everyone. Today, I'll walk you through the process of achieving a smooth, slow zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. Start by navigating to the bottom of your screen and click on Edit to access your timeline. Move the timeline slider to the point where you want the slow zoom to begin. Now, head over to the Transform option under the Video tab. Click on the keyframe button next to Zoom to set the starting point for your slow zoom. Move the timeline slider ahead to where you want the slow zoom to conclude. Return to the Transform section and increase the zoom by about 20 points. This will be your endpoint for the zoom effect. If you wish to adjust the speed of the zoom, simply go down your timeline to the keyframes. Click on the keyframe icon and you'll see the keyframes appear. You can click and drag these keyframes further apart to slow down the zoom or bring them closer together to speed up the effect. And there you have it, a gradual, slow zoom effect added to your clip in DaVinci Resolve. Feel free to experiment with different speeds and durations to achieve the perfect result for your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!